Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how we can install Sky Glass on Firestick. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. Now, if you have been wondering whether you can install or get the Sky Glass on Firestick or not, so unfortunately there is no direct way to access Sky Glass content on an Amazon Firestick, as the Firestick doesn't natively support the Sky Glass app or the platform. So instead, what you can do is you can simply consider using a SkyStream puck for a multi-room viewing or exploring alternative streaming services like Now TV or YouView available. So you can have the alternative options to use to get the Sky Glass installed in your Fire Stick. So as I mentioned, there is no way to install or get the Sky Glass on Fire Stick, so you have to go through the alternative devices. Can be a Sky Multi-Room or Now TV and YouView as mentioned. Those options will also help you out to get it. So consider them, and that is basically it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.